You're designing in Photoshop and you need to set an A4 sheet so that you can make sure it's printable as well as optimized for digital use. You're in the right place. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about that A4. So let's check it out. So the first thing we're going to go and do on the left hand side is we're going to say new file. Okay, so this page you will see as you open up Photoshop. We're going to go over to the right hand side. The first thing we're going to do is give it a name. We are now going to change the measurements to centimeters. In the width, we're going to make sure that it is 210. And in the height, you are going to make sure that it is 297. Now, of course, you can swap this around over here under the orientation if you want it in a different orientation. And then we're going to go into resolution. Here we're going to change it to pixels per centimeter. And that's only if you're using centimeters. If you're using inches, you want to use the pixels per inch. Over here, if you are printing, you want to make sure that this is 300. If you're just using it for digital design, you want to make sure that it is 72. And the color mode, if you're doing print, you want to make sure that it's CMYK color, and if you are using it just for digital, you want RGB color. You can now go ahead and click on create, complete your design, and you'll be able to use this in an A4 format.